We're told that a window washer's platform descends at a rate of 3/4 of a meter per second. After t seconds, the platform's total change in height is -9 meters. Write an equation using t to represent this situation. So why don't you have a go at that? All right, now let's do this together. So we essentially just want to multiply the rate times the time to figure out the change in height. So our rate, we're descending at a rate of 3/4 meters per second. So our rate is negative. It's giving us our direction. So our rate is -3/4. If we wanted to write units, we could write meters per second, and then we would want to multiply that times the number of seconds. So times t seconds. Maybe that's confusing to put the units. So let me just put times t seconds is going to be equal to our total change in height, which is -9 meters. So we could write it this way. We could also write -3/4 times t this way is equal to -9. We could also write -3/4 t, this is a 4 right over here, is equal to -9. And so this means our rate is going down. After some number of seconds, we have gone down by 9 meters.